Is the Earth flat or round? Let me answer that for you. It is round because whatever goes around comes around. That also includes idiot drivers that seem to not understand the concept of karma. Today we will take a look at a few scenarios where karma came to bite these people back. So grab your snacks and prepare some notes as we begin with the video. This is India. Many drivers do not obey traffic rules. If you are riding a motorcycle here, you have to be 100 times more careful than usual. It looks like the police officer here had a fight with his wife before he left the house in the morning. Car driver is very unlucky today.
So that's what you get.
This video is pretty weird. The biker quite naturally goes to the people on the side of the road. Then he wants to chat with them. But these guys must be drunk. They threaten to punch the biker. After this video, you probably won't say hi to anyone.
Dobre. Co tam? Co? To nie maska. Nie.
Masz kamerę?
Ja nie działa.
Działa, bo ja widzę. Co ty mnie myślisz, że oszukasz?
Co robisz?
Co myślisz, że taki hej do przodu? Chcesz, żeby taką walną kamerkę?
A to nagrane będzie.
Wiesz? A wiesz, że nie można nagrywać mnie?
A ja nigdzie nie będę wstawiał.
Nie, proszę wyłączyć kamerę. Ja to proszę. Wyłącz tą kamerę.
Już.
Żeby nie było.
No już.
Jestem heł.
Nie mogę.
Nie możesz to przez nogę.
To ja jadę sobie.
No to już.
Już?
Tak. Odpalę motorek i już.
Gdzie?
Tam gdzie trzeba.
Do Choroszczy.
Chcesz piznąć po łypie? Chcesz piznąć po łypie?
Tam.
Chcesz kurwa? To piznę ciebie, wiesz? Gnoju? Co robiłeś kurwa?
I'm sure if you're a biker you argue with car drivers at least once a day. This may be because they got their license from the butcher shop, but in this video, the driver seems to have sworn not to use his mirror.
You stupid You
This video is so scary. Riding a motorcycle at night is quite dangerous because drivers of vehicles do not see you much. This biker is very angry and smashes the mirror of the vehicle. But there's something he doesn't know. The police is right behind him.
Fíjate, pendejo. Tú venía en mi carril, te metiste bien vergas, güey. Te metiste bien vergas, güey. Párate, güey, párate. Te tengo grabado. Te tengo grabado, pendejo.
The weather is quite nice. Two friends want to do a little off-road ride with their mountain bikes, but there is something they don't know. Right in front of them is a man taking his dog for a walk. This guy will probably hate bikers his whole life.
Do you want me to call Utah County Sheriff? I'm happy to do so.
What are we doing that's wrong?
You've got designated trails for your bikes.
Oh yeah, and there's one right there going all the way across
Stay
the
off
lake.
soccer fields.
I was barely even on them.
Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Or is that too hard for you to understand?
I can
These are
understand
off-road
everything you're
vehicles,
saying.
not to rip up a soccer field.
We're not ripping it up.
Okay? My boy plays on this every week.
Okay.
Do you think I want him stepping in a bike rut? Huh?
This bike is
Do
not.
you guys play
powered by
soccer or any
motocross.
sports at all?
Yeah.
What do you play?
Motocross is a sport.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, what if somebody ruined your track? How would you feel about that?
That
Think
only
about
make it
someone
better.
else besides yourself, all right?
Okay.
This is the city place for kids to play soccer on. For Lehigh residents.
Okay.
Not for you to tear up with their bikes.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yeah.
I live really close to here. If I see you out here, I will have the Utah County Sheriff out here, and you guys will get ridden up.
Okay.
Okay? You guys know better than this. Okay, how old are you? 17?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Good hell, guys. Use your brains. You know better. Designated trails for your off-road vehicles.
Okay. Got it.
Do you not agree?
No. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
100%. All right. Let's go.
Are you filming us?
No, I'm taking a picture of you though in your bike. In case I see you out here again in your Yamaha. You know what? I ride a road bike. I'm a motorcycle rider. You guys like you make us look bad. Okay?
If you're a car driver, you know you should never mess with a biker. This driver makes the mistake of his life and throws a bottle at the biker. There is something he doesn't know. Bikers always take revenge. The result is a shattered mirror and a man who is mad with anger. Let's see.
You know that's $1,000 fine, right? Apparently. Yeah, I got your plate too, buddy. Look at him, he's still rolling his window down. Good job. Throwing trash at me. Really, bro? You're that mature, huh? I got you on camera, bro. Keep going. Keep going, buddy. Keep going, buddy. Get out of here, bro. Whatever, man. Whatever. All right. Say hi to YouTube, buddy.
Tell him I'm smoking too. That's another fine. Welcome to California, baby.
He's not very happy. He got mad because he threw trash at me and I pointed at my camera. All right, buddy. Have a good day. Have a good day, buddy. Have a good day, buddy. Have a good day, buddy. Whatever. Whatever. This is great content, man. Thank you. I'm gonna blast them on the internet. Now look at him. Now he's going straight.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.